Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how we go about making use of the vlookup function. So the vlookup function is one that allows you to search for values in a particular location based on a specific criteria. And if that criteria is met, the value is going to be pasted in a specific cell or cell range. So in my example, I'm going to be showing you how we go about using the vlookup function to determine the cost of renting a particular category of movies. So I already have a spreadsheet, sample spreadsheet, which contains the names of movies, so movie names, as well as the category to which they belong. So we have action movies, adventure, animated, classical, comedy, drama, horror, martial arts, mystery, romance, thriller, and western movies in our spreadsheet. The rental fee column is blank because we are going to be using the vlookup function to fill it in. In order to perform an effective vlookup, you must have a lookup table, a lookup range. Let me just apply a border to my table. The table would have or must have the same headings as the columns that we are going to be using for our criteria. So we have category, we have rental fee. And the values must also be typed up exactly the same, spelled exactly the same, same amount of spacing within the cell, etc. So the word, or the letter V rather, stands for vertical. I'm in the wrong cell. The letter V stands for vertical because you're searching columns. And remember, columns are vertical, and of course rows are horizontal. So we're using the vlookup function. And this is how we use it. So what is it that we're searching for? We want to find out the cost of renting an action movie. So we are going to select the cell that contains the first value that we're going to be searching for. In our case, we're looking for action. And we want action because we want to find out, no, we selected action because we want to find out the rental fee of an action movie. So observe that I selected cell E2 in the movie details column, movie details spreadsheet rather, and then moved on to my lookup table spreadsheet. And I am selecting the entire table. So from cell A1 to cell B13. Need to make that cell range absolute because this is the only place we want to search for a rental fee. Separate my cell range and my column index number. In other words, which column specifically are we searching for the rental fee from our lookup table. And our rental fees are located in the second column. So I'm going to type the number 2. I'm going to also end by typing the word false. And essentially, the purpose of typing false is to show the word false if the exact match isn't found. So if it does not see any rental fee for the category selected, the word false will appear under the category, under the rental fee column in movie details. But since it did find the rental fee associated with the action category, it returned the cost of a rental fee, the rental fee of an action movie rather, which is $6.25. Okay, and of course, you know, to fill in values, we can simply select them, drag them down. So what essentially the vlookup function did was search every single category here and return the rental fee for that category as listed in lookup table. So let us say I've changed this to $8.35. You will see that all the adventure movies have changed to $8.35 in our movie details spreadsheet. I'm going to undo this. So that is how a vlookup function works.